Hello everyone. Today we're diving into the world of portable blending with the Ninja BC151EM Blast Portable Blender, a cordless powerhouse designed for those who love their shakes and smoothies on the go. This sleek personal blender boasts an 18-ounce capacity, perfect for crafting your favorite blends, and it comes in premium colors like forest green to match your style. With Ninja's Blast technology, the ribbed vessel creates a vortex that, combined with the durable stainless steel blast blade assembly, effortlessly powers through ice and frozen ingredients, ensuring perfectly smooth drinks every time. The easy open sip lid lets you blend and drink from the same vessel, and with a comfortable hinged carry handle, it's easy to take your creations anywhere. Cleaning is a breeze with BPA-free, dishwasher-safe parts, and a self-cleaning cycle that runs with just water and a drop of dish soap. The 7.4 volts rechargeable power base delivers impressive power and speed without the hassle of a cord, and it's USB-C compatible for convenient charging. Included with your blender are a USB-C cable, a quick start guide with a 5-recipe inspiration guide, and an instruction booklet, making it easy to get started on your blending journey. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.